Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You can see behind me, we got the all-wheel drive truck. We're gonna be finishing up some things on it today. I'm at my buddy Justin's shop. We're gonna do the exhaust and try to figure out why the belt's crooked. If you guys watched some of my other videos, you'll remember that we swapped in this Cam 6.0 and this 91 GMC. Was a four-wheel drive long bed, now it's an all-wheel drive short bed. For exhaust, Dynavox sent us this header system for a 99 to 05 GMT 800 truck. Fits really nice. Did just notice I got some leaks, but so it comes off the headers there, crosses over and goes into this Y. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it right here at this Y, because why would you go single 3 when you can go dual 3? Oh, that's just my way of thinking. Now, in the name of this budget build, I went on Amazon and I found the cheapest mufflers, X-pipe, catalytic converters, because you have to have them here in Missouri, and one of those 3-inch stainless steel, probably not real stainless steel, exhaust kits. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make our own. Less than 200 bucks in that whole exhaust system right there. All right, so this is kind of complicated right here. This is what comes over from the driver's side header to the passenger side. I was gonna try to save this piece for something, I don't know, but now it's not gonna happen. I'm gonna cut this thing right here, and that'll save me a lot of tubing and fab work. All right, we used our handy dandy cutoff wheel. Cut that off. Now, we're going to try to slide this over into place. Just like that. I just have to, make a piece to make it go that way. All right, got this piece out of it. If you guys want to know why custom exhaust work costs so much money, I've probably had this piece in and out 10 times just trying to get this section just right so I can add the other fitting to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and weld this out. We're using this titanium welder from Harbor Freight. See what it does. All right, here goes. Ground is good. I just checked to see if you guys had noticed. Now, instead of trying to fill this big gap we got, tap her down a little closer. As my old buddy Buff would say, just give her a little tap. I just made a mess. I don't know what that was. Not my best work, but it'll do. All right, so this is our next pipe. It's kind of hard to see under the truck. I could TIG it, but since I don't really care, I'm gonna MIG it. Just regular old MIG wire on stainless. Put our ground clamp on this time. All right, now we gotta cut this off at that line, cut that off at that line, then we should be able to put our catalytic converters on. All right, we got our two catalytic converters up there. Let's see. Now we gotta put the X pipe in. All right, so here's where we're at right now. Just kind of welding it out. Fired it up with no mufflers. It already sounds good. All right, got it all welded out. Just gotta put the mufflers in place now. All right, there we are. This is all 3-inch cats, X pipe, Chinese knockoff Flowmasters. It sounds pretty good, but it's gonna be loud, I think. But it'll do. It's better than open headers. All right, so without being on a lift, it's really hard to see, but there's the exhaust. Runs into two knockoff Flowmasters and just dumps right there. I'm probably gonna go over the rear end. I actually thought about coming out the bedside. All right, let's hear it. See what it sounds like. Pretty good rumble to it. Oh yeah, I like that. There you are. One more thing on the old all-wheel drive truck. Exhaust is done. I got the roll pan. Once it's tuned, gonna do body work. And then we're gonna paint it. Till next time.